What's up, my pungos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over some very sleek, rugged vintage leather iPhone 17 Pro Max cases from the folks at Casebelle. Made with very durable, genuine hide. This vintage leather is wrapped around the entirety of the case, giving you such a really sleek, curated look here that will turn heads at a board meeting, presentation, or just with your daily carry. It still allows you functionality of your phone, including your camera control button, protection around those high impact areas like your camera plateau, and still giving you access to MagSafe wireless charging to allow you to still use all the functions of the phone. With that said, Casebelle sent me a couple of these cases here to test out, and they did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into here on my 17 Pro Max. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. I really like how sleek and luxurious the experience is. You can see that you've got the paper as well as a microfiber cloth that's holding each case. I opted into this English kind of tan colored, as well as their traditional black vintage color as well. The genuine vintage hide here is pretty predominant. As you can see, the grain there, it's lightly oiled and it's really nice and sleek around the entirety of the phone, wrapped with much care and attention there, adorned with the anodized aluminum buttons. I really like how this looks and feels, as it's super genuine and high quality. On the inside, you're gonna get nice microfiber there to give you cushioning and insulation. Around the edges there, you can see that it's a really sleek piece with cutouts there for your I/O buttons, as well as the camera control button is available too. On the black phone case, similar as well. You can see that grain looks so sleek in the glare there. It's going to patina over time, and it's just gonna look really rugged and sleek as your daily carry. I really like that. Placing the phone in the case is really straightforward. You have a couple options here to choose from, placing the white in the black one, or obviously the blue one in the tan. And you can see how sleek it looks there in the hand. The cameras are protected with that anodized aluminum guard. The buttons are nice and clicky, whether you're using the power button or the volume rocker and action buttons. Same thing with the black. It's nice and clicky. Full functionality of the phone is really sleek. Throwing on a MagSafe battery here, you can still charge at that high wattage charging rate. This will give you maybe a half or a full charge here. This is from Apple, but it's nice. It's very magnetic. It's not going anywhere. You can place it on a car adapter or any other MagSafe related items. That's really nice. With that said, Casebelle makes really sleek, durable, and very high quality, genuine rustic vintage leather cases. It's a full wrap leather case around the entirety of the phone. They adorn it here with anodized aluminum buttons and protection to give you that sense of comfort and just that sleek look here as your daily carry. With that said, they provided this to me complimentary, and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.